Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make tomato sauce from canned diced tomatoes. Start by gathering your simple ingredients. You'll need two 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, some olive oil, and 1 onion. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onion and sauté it gently for about 5 minutes until it's soft and translucent. This aromatic base is crucial for a flavorful sauce, building a wonderful foundation for your delicious creation. Now, it's time to add the stars of our show, the two 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes. Pour them directly into the pot with the softened onions. Stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano for that classic Italian flavor. Don't forget to season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to enhance all the wonderful tastes. Once all your ingredients are combined, bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. Then, reduce the heat to low and partially cover the pot, leaving a small gap for steam to escape. This slow simmer is where the magic happens, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken naturally. Let it cook for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour for a richer, deeper taste. After simmering, give your sauce a taste and adjust the seasonings if necessary. You might want a little more salt or pepper to suit your preference. For a fresh, vibrant touch, stir in about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped basil right before serving. Your easy, homemade tomato sauce is now ready. Enjoy it over your favorite pasta or incorporate it into other delicious dishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.